Dude, and we're rolling. So today I have a video for you guys here. Another box of tools, or boxes of tools. I got given a bunch of tools again. So kind of no real particular order here. Let's start with this right here. So in this box, you can see you got, let's see, draw, back saw, and miter box. A whole bunch of other stuff on there. So if we open up the box here, you can see it is what it claims to be. You got a Dural precision tools made in West Germany, tempered alloy steel, number 214. I don't even think this thing's ever been used. I mean, maybe, but there's that. And then the other thing in here, we have the miter box. Lots of information right there. Simple little box. You got a little lip on it here so that it, like, you push it against the workbench, the edge of the workbench, to keep it in place. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, draw number 4512, new 45 face miter. Interesting. Made in USA. Rock maple. Flying kiln drag. Carborundum draw brand. Made in Yonkers, New York, USA. So that's pretty cool. It does look like, you can see there's a bit of, so it has been used some. There's some wear on it, but not a lot. It's very clean. So then, other than things that came in this box, if I can put them away here. The other thing in this box was this here. A little pack of blades for this keyhole saw here. Not the straightest in the world anymore, but I'm sure we can fix that. It's actually interesting because the handle, if you can see that, it's actually hollow. That's kind of neat. So let's see. Another quality Craftsman tool. 12-inch wood cutting blade. 8.5-inch metal cutting blade. And a 6-inch multi-purpose blade. Cool. Patent designs, long blades securely in any position. Cool. Let's see what's got on the back here. Sears, Craftsman. Keyhole saw. Ideal for sawing all kinds of wood, drywall, plaster, plastics, sheet metal, conduit, metal lath, and many other materials. Made in USA. So that's cool. Got a bit of instructions for the locking mechanism. So that's that right there. So you can, if I can get it here. Ow. Ow. I have to trim my nails. But that way you can, like, move it, and so you're not, like, having to saw at all weird angles. You can just move it around. That's pretty cool. Could use some oil. Yeah. that box. Let's see what next here. I guess we can do stuff I have down here next. So here we have a nice hatchet. It's let's see, Stanley. Can you guys see there? H122. It's actually got a really fine edge on it. It needs a bit of work, but it's got a really fine edge to begin with, so that's nice. It looks like it was cast and then just had certain surfaces ground to shape somewhat. So that's pretty cool. The handle's actually like really nice on it. It's got this kind of cloth tape in the lower part here that actually feels really good in the hand. And the only interesting thing is whoever handled it last didn't do it right, because you see this wooden wedge that goes through here. It's not supposed to be there, because what you're supposed to do is put a wooden wedge down the center of the wooden handle and then cross wedge it with the metal wedges, which you can see there's 2 metal wedges and 2 nails in the end of this. So we're gonna have to do a video on making the handle on this actually right. And you see there it's been at some point been hammered down to fit tighter, but not well, because the handle is a bit thick right there, so that'll have to get trimmed up. So that'll be a good video. Leave that up there. And then here we have just a simple split and wedge, just a Chinesium something or other. Got some numbers on it there. No real brand on it. Wear safety goggles. Okay thing. We'll do that. But yeah, so that'll be good to put in the woodworking kit. And then down here, I also have a box. So it's a dependable quality Dunlap. And it's patented, so that's cool. So we open it up here. We got a bunch of stuff in it. Not all of this is stuff that was in it when it was given to me. Like, all this stuff was given to me at the same place. It's just I had to put some stuff in here and some stuff in other things to make it all fit and be easy to carry. So let's start here. We have a empty pouch that was for something at some point. Has a little button on it there. What's that say? Oh, it doesn't really say anything. It just has a little, you see that? It's got a little sign on it. So that's cool. Various bits of hardware. Got a couple of auger bits here that are in somewhat decent condition. They're gonna need cleaned up and whatnot, but that's pretty cool. Some more hardware, various wrench things. That's a bit strange, but for something specific. Little wrench thing here. That's interesting. It's got a P and yeah, let's see if you can see that PNR. It's got some down there that I can't really make out. We'll have to clean that up later and see what all's there, what all it says. We got another one of them. It's kind of similar to that one in shape, but has different stuff on it. Them little wrench things. And then we got chisel of some kind, or punch. I don't know. It's got a weird shape on the end. What's it say here? 3/8. something. I don't know. That's pretty cool. Here, can you see that? Yep, 3/8. Once I'm done filming all this, I'll probably have to split it up into multiple parts and do all that, but some more hardware. Another wrench. Small chisel. Look at that. It's a little bitty chisel. Does it say anything on it? No, not really. Still, that'd be useful. And we have another chisel here, kind of in between the big one and the small one in size. So that's cool. We got a small lag bolt thing right there. So, you know, all sorts of little pieces of hardware. Got a couple of screwdriver type things, kinda. Not exactly sure what some of these are. Little toothbrush, or I guess just brush, really, for you can use it to clean stuff off. Oh, hey, look. Another auger bit, a little bitty one, so that's cool. Interesting. Another punch. Not exactly. It's got like a concave end on it. I'm not sure what that's for. I don't know. Some more various bits of hardware. That's pretty much all these two things here are. Alright. So let's get into the bottom portion here. We got... Heck. I know what this is, I just... The name escapes me at the moment. Not quite as good as my other one, but, you know, useful to have around. What do we got here? Stanley H1225, made in USA. Cool. Always good stuff, made in USA. Let's see, what next? We got a little square. Let's see, does this one have a name on it? I don't think it does. But it's pretty cool because it's got a 45 in there. It's wooden handle here, but got like a brass plate on this part of it, and then has, let's see, 5 brass pins holding that down on there. So that's really cool. Oh, how long is that? That's 7.5 inch square, 6 on the inside. What's this? BN. I don't know what that is, but that's what it says on it there. Alright, next we have a little level. Let's see. Yep, they're still in there. So that's cool. Stanley, made in USA, number 259. So that's cool. I'm not sure, I forget exactly what these ones, because I have a couple that are this shape, how they're like tapered at each end. I don't know exactly what they're called though. Well, that's cool. What next? Oh, here, let's show this one off. So here we have a brace to go along with those auger bits. So it's a Dunlap, made in USA. Let's see. It says something right there, but it's got some rust on it. It's got a nice chuck to it. Spring's still in there, so it opens nice and good. And then you have this here to activate the ratcheting part of it. So that's cool. It spins freely. So that's good. It could use some oil up on the top part here. And probably down here and in there too, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's got the tapered part, or the tapered chuck on the thing there. There's probably a name for that, but so that's really cool. So that'll go with the auger bits that are in here, and then we got a couple boxes of nails. Oh, hey, look. Forgot this was in here. A little baby oil can. Does it have? I don't think it has any in it, but that's cool. That's here. I wonder how that. I don't know how you fill this up. That'd be cool to do though. And then you got old-fashioned oil can. I always thought these things look really neat. These old oil cans. Better than plastic ones. Got another oddball wrench, 1 inch and 7/8. Got a mini crowbar. So that's cool. Does crowbar have any names on it? I don't know. I don't think it does. Yeah, I'm not seeing one. It might though, we'll have to clean it up and see. I got some more hardware. Not exactly sure what that's for. Let's see. We got hacksaw blade. So that's cool. Any names on it? Probably not, but can't hurt to look. Other than that, we got another one of them. Or is that the same one? Wrench. Anything else? Oh, that's that. Dropping things. Got a little bit of sandpaper. That's useful. And that would appear to be everything in that box. So, seeing as it's been going for 20 minutes now, I'm gonna stop the video and then start recording a second half for the other boxes of stuff. So yeah, see you in the next one.